Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I took some time off to reset spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. During this time off, I really focused on what's most important to me at this time, which is my relationship with God, my family, and creating a better balance in my life with work, family, and other activities. Today, I'm easing back into things with a Monday reset, a slow, productive start of the week. I didn't do a full deep clean, but I tackled some laundry in this video. We went grocery shopping, planned our meals for the week. These are just little things I do to help me feel more organized and ready for the days ahead. So let's get into it. Hey guys, how have you been? It feels so good to be sitting in front of the camera again. So it's Monday today, and if you're new here, Mondays are my reset days. I don't think I've actually mentioned it on my channel, but I don't work on Mondays. My company allows us to have this flexible hours thing where you can condense all your hours to certain days. So I chose to do 4 days a week and take Monday off, and it's the best thing ever. Like, my son is in nursery, my husband is at work, I get to focus on myself, get to do my grocery shopping, do my cleaning, do my reset, it really depends what I want to do in the day. Go solo dating. I just get to feel like Debbie again, and I look forward to Monday. I normally have today packed with a lot of cleaning, but I also knew I was going to be recording today, so I did some of my cleaning yesterday and some during the week. So I've actually been doing that a lot of recent, not leaving my cleaning to one day, like doing bits here and there, and it's really been helping me stay on top of organization of this house. So plans for today are, I did some laundry, which I've already done. I also want to go to Aldi and do some of our grocery shopping for the week. I started this thing, which is actually so new. I went to a friend's house recently, and just on a kitchen counter, she had a weekly meal plan. And I remember asking her, I'm like, girl, do you follow this like to the T? I always have a meal plan, but I just have it on my phone. And most times I actually even forget that I have something like that. And then every day I'm like, what are we going to eat today? So she actually has it framed in her kitchen just by the cooker. And she says it's really helpful. She doesn't follow it to the T, but that is there for days where she just can't think of something to do, but she'll have that there. And I thought that's actually a good idea. I'm always trying to think about different way to cook something in this house, and sometimes you don't really need to think about it too much, just have a guide. All right, so this is what it looks like. I got my husband to print it out. I literally gave him like plain black and white, but he decided to put like colors and stuff in it, which was quite nice. So what I want to do is I want to stop by B&M and pick up like a frame, and I could just put this on the kitchen counter. I've also got because I'm always like really racking my head on what to make for Zane, like always, what can I make for him, what is he gonna eat. I know there's certain meals that he likes now, and I've tried to make this around what he likes, slightly and stylishly introducing some things I don't have like a breakfast menu on here because we're rarely home together for breakfast during the week, and on Saturdays it's literally like go 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 because we've got like choir practice and everything, and then on Sunday, so I don't really have to. Everybody kind of just fixes something for themselves. Actually, my husband fixes us something, and it's usually either toast or Nigerian toast, by the way. Toast, bread and egg, or I do like yogurt granola, or sometimes I have like overnight oats. It really depends, so I'm quite flexible with that. And then obviously with lunch, most times I'll have like the previous night's lunch that I can just take for myself, and my husband will also take that to work as well. So I haven't really included lunch because nobody actually is thinking about breakfast or lunch in this house. Most times it's literally just what's there, but everyone is looking forward to dinner. So yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I will head to Aldi, pick up groceries. I'm using a lot of AI in like organizing my home and things, like honestly you would not even believe. So this meal plan, I got AI, obviously chatted with AI and things what I wanted, and it was created for me. I also got it to create a shopping list for me, which you can see there on the screen. So it's estimating that we'll spend about £50 here and there. I'm hoping it's less because half of the things we have that I need for this week, I actually have them at home. Oh, yesterday I picked up a new set of artificial flowers for my island table, and it'd be nice to just style it with you guys here on camera, so we'll be doing that later on. I'll probably just sit here, finish up my cup of tea, and just do a little bit devotion, just read one of my plans. I am currently doing, the topic of one of the ones I'm doing just now is gaining godly wisdom. Okay, so banana, got more easy peelers, grapes, kale and spinach, potato, eggs. I'm gonna try it with this chicken nuggets, sweet potato fries, pizza, yogurt, as strawberry pouches, cheese, single cheese, onions, pancakes, coconut milk, soya milk, choco hoops, minced meat, some diced chicken breast. I think this is for pasta, bread, some paste, some snacks for myself and Francis. Lastly, I saw this bar, protein bars, and I quite like them. They can just be like a quick lunch if you don't have time to make anything. One protein bar and tea, you're full for the day, like till this thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all of this away, and I also picked up the frames I was talking to you guys about. I did not pick the one I showed you guys on the video because it just felt too big. Like, I don't want something like too massive. I think it's okay. Yeah, so put that there. It came in like 2 packs, so I can keep this other one for later. Hey, don't say hi. Hi. Say hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. Say how are you?
Hi, Bears.
Yeah, yeah. He has seen the grapes.
And a pack of
Yes, and yogurt. All yours. I'm gonna put all of this away and get started with dinner because I'm famished. I'm really hungry. Yeah, so speak to you soon.